British Chinese Nines play ratings. Island Star has vertebral shockout to conclude fourth series with pack beaten up by the Wallabies. Following a disappointing 22 of 12 defeat to the Wallabies in the series final in Sydney usage day. Here are the play ratings for the British and Irish Lions. 15 Hugo Keenan, the best of the line back 3 as he moved up well under pressure in tough condition but little chance to stretch his legs in attack 6. 14 Tommy Freeman had one bad defensive lead and one good Gary before going off after reportedly failing his HIA. He was clutching his nose whoever so hopefully it is not broken 5. 13 Wu Jones played both center and wings but failed to really impact both as the Lions struggled to get on the front foot for Poots D 12 Mandiaki. Let's be honest, the Lions have very much missed Sione Toipoloto after a poor display last week. Aki had a vertical shocker in Sydney, a difficult game for the outside back, but so many mistakes from the Island Star, including the one of Max Jorgensen trying to 11 Blair Kinghorn failed to win the aerial battle as the Lions tended to be camped inside their own half for most of the contest, not really a game for the Wings, and it is showed despite Kinghorn doing his job well enough. 5. 10 Finn Russell behind a beaten pack. He was not terrible but the up and unders were not accurate enough and he could not get them firing. There were some decent touches. Tough as he tried to ignite the tourist 5. 9 Jamison Gibson Park. His Rose performance in quite some time kicking was not accurate enough and there were several errors at the base as he failed to control the match for 8 Jack Conan quit. Worked hard at close quarter but the visitors were constantly shunted backwards both with and without the ball 5. 7 Tom Curry, one of the few Lions starters you felt gave their absolute all and played at requisite intensity even if he was behind a front 5 that was beaten up should have been player of the series 7. 6 Strong Binny like Curry, the effort was there and he puts himself about throughout the 80 minutes without getting too much change out of brilliant as she is 6. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel and press the bell icon for latest update. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.